Hello. Hello people of the internet. My name is Traditional Peter 2001 and today I will be showing my USB cable connect collection. Okay, so first we have this like USB cable. It looks normal, but it isn't. Look at this, it's so cool. This is this length, not big length, but it's good. Okay, next we have this. Shut the fuck up! Fuck. Next we have this. This is long USB cable. Longest in my collection. It has this big length. This big, many big, can't even show. It looks normal and it is. Okay, so this is the last USB cable of my collection. And this is very special. Just 3 parts. This is for the Apple phone, yes. This is normal. And I don't know about this. Okay, here is last. So, that was my USB cable connection. Let's see you next time, people of the internet. I am Traditional Peter 2001. Remember.